morning, everybody. It's June 9th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning T.A. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni. Bring in the data. The FOMO index has fallen back down to 11 from yesterday's 17. Bitcoin dominance is at 46.5%. 24-hour volume is 63 billion. Heartbreakingly low. The overall market cap is 1.25 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Whoa. G7 over B. That's a lawyer. A lawyer. A lawyer. Yeah, it's a lawyer. They're like tow trucks. You're either ecstatic to see them because they're towing you out of trouble, or they're the last thing you see before they tow everything you have away. Secret language of legalese not shared with the common people. Why not, guys? You want one in the family, but you don't necessarily want them to come over to your house, ever. Things are generally better when they're not around, but boy, if you need one, it's good to know one. Well, we didn't move much yesterday, despite getting as high as 30.9 and as low as 29.9. We're basically at the same place we were yesterday morning. Coming in at 30.5 at time of production. Currently on the sunny side of the 200 moving average, where we said we wanted to be to ease those bearish pangs. We've also formed a new Swissy, or asymmetrical triangle. A triangle who cares not for bulls nor bears, which remains neutral as to its outcome. We're in Coil Town, so we'll likely break out 30.7. Failing a breakout, we'll likely return back down to test support at 30.2-ish, which is also in the 200 moving averages backyard. Failing that, we'll be on the sunless side of both the 200 and old Swissy. And if, and I say if, we end up there, we'll likely retest 29.9, and if it's so darn tootin', 29.2. There is some ever slight hidden bullish divergence, with price action making higher highs while the MACD double bottoms. But it's so slight I wouldn't even bring it up in polite conversation amongst lawyers. Over on the ding dong, aka the daily chart, we're in no man's land, smack dab in the middle of our chop suey channel. We survived the 10th retest of that 20 moving average to remain on its sunny side, but if we don't make a run for that 32.6 level, I've been droning on about ad nauseum. We'll likely break through it and test that support at that dastardly 28.6 level. That level is the porthole to new all-time lows that some people can't stop talking about. So as long as we're above the vicinity of 28.6, price action will probably just keep surfing along. We have spent most of our time on the lower end of this channel, but it seems now we might be making a run for the channel resistance. This area below the 20 at 29.9 to the channel support 28.6 is where our TV will be stuck on reruns of Iffy and Dicey. Hey, Nancy. Never come around anymore. Thanks for stopping by. Good to see you, Nancy, with a smiling face. If you dig it, then click it, the like and subscribe button. That'd be real proper like of you all. Now over on the Wookiee, aka the weekly chart, we're at time of production, $600 away from clocking in a red candle. 29.9 and below is where she paints red. But as of now, looks like it if you squint real hard enough, like a distant mirage of a rounding bottom. I'm keeping my dead eye on the barrage of crypto bill news that's keeping the quant bots and their buy-sell algos chomping at the bit like the I Am Legend zombies as the sun goes down. When people say regulations in crypto will be good for the industry, I think they're right in their optimism and their good intent. But they forget that the regulators are psychopaths who care not for our well-being and will always try to steal the lion's share of all upsides for themselves. But if a seasoned crypto professional were billing up regulation, I'd be all for it. But as long as psychopathic dinosaurs who have never run a business or paid for a tank of gas or a bag of groceries are putting it together, the odds of it ending up benefiting them at our cost is quite high. And a bet I'll take every time. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spank Bitcoin, Crypto Morning T.A. Whoa, cha-cha-cha. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this